Good day, my little explorers.
Him again.
Okay, kiddies, let's have it. Hand over that Chaos Emerald, or else.
What Chaos Emerald?
What are you talking about?
Don't play coy with me. What else would you scavengers be snooping around here for? Now hand it over!
Huh? He must have seen us looking for cheese and thought we were hunting for a Chaos Emerald.
So that's why he's so upset.
Hey! There aren't any Chaos Emeralds around here!
You can't fool me, you emerald snatchers!
Do not get overexcited, Doctor. You are beginning to perspire.
Well then, if you mite-sized meddlers won't cooperate with me, perhaps my friend E66 will convince you.
How did that happen? I guess the soil around here must be really soft. Maybe that's why that big thing tipped over. It serves him right for sticking his robot on us. Oh no, the water! It's all muddy! Choo choo!
Hey, you guys! That river runs into the Chao colony!
Come on, we have to do something.
Let's go!
Who ever heard of a mushy mountain?
I have a feeling that E66 and rugged terrain do not go hand in hand. He might be more effective on hard, flat surfaces.
Keep quiet! Now help me dig out this cast iron klutz. We've got some emeralds to snag.
The cleaning is completed, Doctor.
Well, let's get going.
Dr. Eggman, look! Sonic!
Fancy meeting you here.
Well, Sonic! I mean, we were just doing a lovely bit of sightseeing.
Yes, for our vacation.
Ah, you're on vacation.
Yes, vacation. See, I've been such an old gloomy Gus of late that I thought perhaps some leisure time out in the fresh air might do me a bit of good.
He so needs it.
That's so.
Let it fly! He's gone!
Hi there. Haven't you clowns learned yet you'll never be fast enough to catch me? Later, kids. Huh?
Sonic, you have to do something! Oh, I see you've already done something.